Hi everyone! As you know, help centers are a large part of customer service, and the revenue generated by the organization is very much contingent on their self-service options. The equation is simple. You please the customer, and the customer returns the favor. That's why we are going to show you awesome help centers designs for inspiration. The first one is Etsy Help Center. Its look perfectly complements the style of their main website. It has a simple layout that allows for easy and swift navigation, a big search bar right in the middle of the page, and several featured articles divided into selling and shopping categories. InVision support. InVision excels at creating software for designers. When it comes to their help center design, their approach is simple yet creative at the same time. At first, it seems simple as you can see a lack of design elements. They suggest finding your answers in a knowledge base, product documentation, and community. That means InVision emphasis on contact with their support agents. But when you scroll down the page, the awesome designed chat appears. Pinterest Help Center. The standout feature of Pinterest's Help Center is that it has dedicated sections for businesses and regular users. The layout is arranged in a pinboard style, meaning you can get useful tips, articles, and guides at the bottom of the page. All of the links are on the same page, so you need not scroll up and down on the page aimlessly. It also features a search bar at the top of the page to make things even easier for the user. One of the key advantages of Pinterest is that it is available in just about any language. What makes this addition so good is that it allows users to ask questions in their native language, making the query more detailed. Asana support page. Asana uses a different approach for their support page compared to most of the other help centers. We suggest that you borrow from Asana the following design decisions. Navigational cards near the search bar, namely, I want to learn, I'm having trouble with, I'd like to upgrade, help divide the knowledge bases. The cards are used to fill out queries if describing the problem seems difficult, all while still providing easy access to the search bar. The next one is PayPal Help Center. Their help page contributes towards the company's massive popularity as it features a dedicated help section. A list of common questions and other info users can find without extra efforts. Furthermore, you can get additional help in other ways too. The Contact Customer Support option, Community Forum, and the Resolution Center all help solve customer issues. Other notable design features worth stealing. The home page has a category tab that has its own questions you can see without following a separate link, therefore avoid opening a new tab. A dedicated software developer page you can access from the header. Another one is GiffGaff Help Center. The GiffGaff help page boasts a splendid design and layout, which is aesthetically appealing. Furthermore, the Help Center page features an option to ask the community to help users themselves. It also provides a way to reach out to a support agent if you seek a more personalized response to your query. Moreover, the platform allows the users to easily navigate their way around and go to any article section they want. HelpScout. HelpScout prioritizes its customer service over everything else. Their help center is created with the customer experience in mind. The design is visually and functionally appealing, and all the articles are sorted according to the products. HelpScout's Help Center pays a great deal of attention to text formatting and visual enrichment. Cards Against Humanity Help Center. Although the design of this store's Help Center is pretty straightforward and basic, all the questions are very well sorted into categories. What this means is that you do not have to scroll needlessly to find the information you are looking for. This Help Center is an ideal example of how you can use your company's Help Center to promote your brand in a way that does not focus on visual designs. Next is the Dropbox Help. The Dropbox Help page boasts a very captivating design that genuinely reflects the brand of the company. The content provided on their help page is not just run-of-the-mill Help Center content. On this platform, you will also find several informative guides and an array of video tutorials for those who seek visual assistance with their concerns. Figma Help Center. Figma takes a very creative and artistic approach to the view of their help center. Each category has its own icon, which reflects the style of the company's brand. Their help center is definitely a great extension of their brand. Let's go through the Eventbrite Help Center. Eventbrite allows you to pick in what language to display information simply by navigating to the corner. Furthermore, the content displayed is adapted to the language, meaning that it doesn't require extra scrolling or use of a magnifying feature of your browser. Olark Help Center. Instead of placing a fancy banner with drawn images, the company decided to make a simple and appealing help center design. The search bar is on the top of the page, and all interface is made in order to help you to find everything you need. Vimeo support. The popular streaming platform has a lot of videos with the support staff. It makes their help center seems personalized and closer to the client. Square Help Center is very structured and ordered. The page is divided into 4 sections. Every section has numerous categories, marked by simple icons. As a result, the Help Center is easy to navigate and has a trendy minimalistic design, without unnecessary scrolling. We prepared a bonus for you. Aarhus theme from Growthdot. We designed a custom Help Center theme for Zendesk specifically. It takes into consideration all the recommendations mentioned above, as well as suits all Zendesk features and details. So be sure to find any element needed for a great Help Center design, as Aarhus theme includes a visible header, categories with customizable icons, sidebar navigation, previous next buttons, and many more. The theme is accessible on any device and enables extra formatting elements such as tables of contents, calc blocks, internal tabs, and other options to help you design your Help Center content in the way you want. We also create custom themes for Zendesk Guide and offer great discounts. Visit growthdot.com to know more about our apps and services and subscribe to our YouTube channel.